Hi everyone, the Heal Connect team here. Woo. For those who don't know me, I'm Heidi.
I'm Luke.
I'm Carol.
I'm Kim.
And we're here at Noonawina.
It is, right.
Yeah.
So this is the wonderful venue for our retreat in September for parents, carers and support workers to come together and be able to get some retreat, respite and some great tools.
Absolutely. And we're really looking forward to you guys coming on between the 13th and the 15th of September here on the Central Coast of Colnera, Noonawina. So we're really looking forward to seeing all you guys here and get those great learnings, those great tools, and also some respite as well. There's a really yummy pool and spa at the back, guys. It's absolutely amazing. We've had a great look around this property and it's absolutely stunning. You need to be here September 13th to 15th, and you can book by inquiring, click the link below. Thank you.
Awesome. And the rooms are superb.
Everything is superb.
Oh,
yes. So for those who are from my area on the mid-north coast, it's about 4.5 hours drive. So it is doable, so we can make it happen.
Absolutely. 100 acres of absolute tranquility.
Yeah.
So there's something for everyone here. It's so serene, such a beautiful place. It's exactly what you're looking for.
And we can't wait to meet you. We can't wait to be here with you to serve you so that you walk away with tools that are going to help you take care of yourself, but also the beautiful people that you look after.
So if you've got NDS funding or if you want to book privately, that's okay, but we can actually help you navigate through your funding. If you've got some challenges how to use that, just get in contact with the team and we'll be able to help you navigate through that, and see you at the retreat in September.
Bye.
Bye.